So here we go, folks. I'm going to start up the saw.
This is the Wasaga wiener.
What happened?
There's no electric.
Well, so much for that review.
Maybe you have to put the cartridge in the saw.
The saw, the saw does have a bypass mode,
Oh, and
so
some.
that if you're cutting wood that you think is wet,
He did that on purpose.
you can bypass the safety technology.
What a funny guy.
There's a lot of stuff to
You
remember.
hold this down and flip up the paddle to start the saw. There's a little yellow, there's a green light and a yellow light here. So the yellow light was showing which said it was in bypass. But as soon as you shut the saw off, the bypass mode is canceled. So in order to do it again, you have to hold the button. So you can't leave it in the bypass mode.
So you did that on purpose?
I did that on purpose.
Oh, sure.
Now, any volunteers? Let's try a fresh hot dog.
What's wrong with that?
Well, we were gonna eat that. We were gonna cut that up and eat it later.
I'll slice it for everybody.
Well, hey, there you go.
Okay,
Piece each, yeah.
here we go again. This is the real thing.
Okay.
So I'm going to start the saw up. Holy moly! Here.
What's that?